You splashing in the rain?
Yeah.
Flowers.
They rock. I want them to love that bumblebee.
Yeah. Hey guys, today we're super excited. We're going to be adding a new member to our family. I'll let you guys see when we get there. So our daughter really wants to have a little bit more responsibility. We always thought that having another dog would be a good way to bring some more excitement into our life, take along on our adventures.
Both Mike and I have had dogs our whole entire life. So since we had to put down our English Cocker Spaniel at the beginning of the whole pandemic, just been kind of holding off. I also needed time to recover. That was my baby. I had her since I was, 16 years old. She was truly my dog, and a year before that, we had to put down our other lab because of cancer. So it's been a rough couple of years, but I think it's now time to take the plunge and move forward and get some excitement in our life. Just picked up our puppy. She's so cute. Let's see. Hey. Look at you. Is your name Luna? Zelda? Do you like Zelda? It's so hard to video, but she's a little cutie. Seems like quite the cuddler. We'll see how that changes over the next few weeks.
I'll never be alone.
Hey, cutie. You tired? You tired? I think she's tired. Well, let her sleep on the way home, and then she's gonna have a busy afternoon. All right, so we've been on the road back home for about an hour and a half, and she is sleeping like a champ. Nothing like a puppy. I just, it's been so long since both my husband and I have had a puppy. All right, so almost home. We're just gonna head over to Grandma and Grandpa's house here and pick up little Miss Veronica and show her her new puppy. So we'll, I guess, try and get her reaction on camera.
Zoldy's home.
What? We told you we would bring you a puppy. Look at this. She's like, oh, look what Mommy's got. Is this your puppy? Oh my God. What do you think?
Zelda.
Yeah.
Zelda. Zelda or Luna, I don't know, but
She's farting.
yeah, I know she's stinky. Do you have to go poop? Should we take you outside to go poop? Oh, she's wagging her tail.
Zelda.
Are you trying to bite you? Zelda!
Keep going! Keep going!
There's the little girl and her puppy.
Come on!
Come here, Zelda.
Oh. Run, Veronica, run! 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 Run!
She loves you.
Look me! I'm an airplane!
You're an
Shining, then I know I'll never be alone.
Go get it. Come on, look. Cuteness overload, everybody. Puppies are so cute, aren't they?
Then I know I'll never ever be alone.
kid and their dog.
I miss something we never have, you know. Lying apathetic in my bed. She's really changing the rules of how to do things and what not to do. Sleeping bags, we wait for
Go teach him.
What if the world had more of your smile?
His name is Maui.
You be just so with him.
You be careful, Daddy.
What if your sweetness could be tested?
So yeah, maybe a little bit about us. We do have some reptiles. He is a
Rhactodactylus leachianus gecko.
Rhactodactylus leachianus gecko. They're from New Caledonia, and they're the largest geckos in the world. They're pretty cool. We also do have a couple crested geckos. We have a boa constrictor snake and like a 14-year-old Argentina Tegu. So yeah, we'll maybe show you some of that. This is one of our crested geckos. He is shedding right now.
Eat it.
Don't touch his tail, just pet his back.
And this is our oldest gecko. She is 12. Yeah, she's got to be about 12. But her coloring is just gorgeous.
She used to be a bright orange.
Yeah.
Oh, she's more of a yellow.
In our days.
You know they lick their eyeballs? They don't have eyelids?
Yeah.
Yeah, they lick their eyeballs. I don't know where you're going. Here, have some more.
These guys are all actually nocturnal, so they're super active at night. You could hear them jumping around their cages at night and calling out to each other. The one we have, that male, is actually a baby of the orange one, probably about 5-6 years ago. And yeah, she laid several eggs, and she still to this day is still laying eggs. Obviously, they're not fertile. They just kind of dry up. So our geckos get this Pangea gecko diet with insects. So, and like I said earlier, we do have an Argentina Tegu. We call her TRex. Her name is Lucy, but she's a little bit of a T-Rex. She can be a little bit intense at times.
Morning!
Look how dirty this is.
Oh yeah, she just rearranges it though.
Was me
Coming out.
I know you're hungry, aren't you? You'd eat me through the glass if you could.
So we actually take Lucy out of her tank, put her in a separate tank for feeding, so that she doesn't necessarily relate, you know, us reaching in her tank to feeding her, but when she's hungry, this is how she acts. And then we have her. This is Moana.
Didn't even think about it.
This is the custom tank we made for her. It's pretty cool.
Yeah,
We
you
do need
can
to
pet
clean
her
all the
after you
glasses
feed her.
right now.
You can be like, I'm gonna eat
All
you.
right,
I'm gonna eat you.
let's go feed this one.
You're brave.
So we feed her a whole bunch of fruit, and I've tried to disguise things like veggies and spinach in with her eggs. She picks it right out, or she refuses to eat it altogether. When she was younger, she did eat things like fish and mice and stuff, but as they get older, you know, their systems just don't digest it anymore. And she is a senior Argentina Tegu, so like I said, we've had her for a long time. My husband actually had her long before we were together. Woo! What did you think?
this one dear.
That one's scary.
You can run it. All right, here you go. I'll show you. Like this. Dig, push forward. Pull.
Woo, good job.
Go in that door.
You wanna go in the car? Drive your car. Beep, beep.
Then stood there smiling at me as so many times before. I'll never wanna be away, leave you
Pokemon Day, Pokemon Go Community Day. Go, kiddo. Go down the slide. There's no bee in there. You want me to go first and get rid of it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going down. That's like a little black bug. Are you ready? You ready? You watching, mommy? Okay, I'm going. Wait there!